Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jasmine from J. Rose. I make stickers, stationery, and custom designs and apparel. Today we have a sticker sheet tutorial. If you need help importing your sticker design, please watch my other videos and I'll take you through those steps, so let's get right into it. So I have my design selected and that's the butterflies. I'm just showing you different ways you can change the color easily, or if you'd like it to be a pattern. Obviously, this will only work if it's like a very simple design without any details. So if you needed color variations and it's not a simple design, I would advise to get that all ready before you start making them. And then once you decide on a color, you'll want to take the layer behind it, which would be your offset, which would be the sticker border. In case the Cricut doesn't cut on point, it still gets all of the color. And then I'm just changing my background color to match it a little bit. So whatever your background sheet is going to be, for me it's this little rectangle. I'm going to make sure I have 4 duplicates of that. And once everything's ready, I'm going to take the offset layer and then one of the backgrounds and flatten it. So it's as if the offset or the sticker border, you would say, is a part of the background. Honestly, this step can be either done now or before you start duplicating the background layer 4 times. Then you'll just want to make sure that flattened layer is underneath the actual design. And then you will select it all and attach it together. And you are ready to make your stickers. You would just duplicate to fill it as much as you can on the sheet. Once again, this rectangle that's behind my sticker sheets is a reference so I know how much stickers I can fit, and it's a size 6.75 by 9.25. And once you've arranged it how you like it, you'll just attach all of that together. I was making this when I had an order to do, so I needed to grab blue, black, green, and yellow. And usually I'll like to try and fill up some space to see if I can get any more stickers out of the sheet. So I tried to make these little tiny butterflies. Alright, everything is attached and ready to go, so let's make it. Alright, you'll want to make sure your Cricut is connected, and you'll want to send your design to the printer. The way I do it is I have my bleed off and I always use my system dialog so I can get the best quality there is. Now these are just the settings I use. It may vary depending on the type of paper you are using. So I do have a different setting for holographic paper and my sticker sheets, so I'm going to show you those settings. My pressure is set to 200 and it will cut twice. And always I put it on more pressure. I am using Zicoto matte sticker paper. It can be found on Amazon, and then these are how it looks printed out. I am using glitter holographic cold laminate film. The brand name is up here, Bleed Drug Premium Paper. It can also be found on Amazon. Now, if you're lazy like me, I still haven't cleaned my mat yet, so I'm taping my sheet down so it doesn't move while it cuts. Then before sticking my laminate on, I will size it down to make sure it fits inside of the registration lines. If you ever need tips on how to avoid the Cricut going crazy when you go over the lines, check out my video on how to get the Cricut to register marks. Now you'll want to make sure you have your smoother tool, your ruler. You'll just flip up the corner of your laminate, place it down and take your ruler and go at a diagonal angle. And then eventually you'll be able to straighten out all the way done and you're good. And just to make sure it's super on there, just take your smoother tool to smooth it down. And if you had any bubbles, this should take care of it. If not, then you might have to do it again. But still let it cut, because then you could use them as oopsies. Had to prevent my little friend from wanting to touch the stickers. And quick time lapse of cutting. These are how the mini stickers turned out. I didn't let it cut all the way through because it was just, some of them were already popping off. But these are how the big ones turned out. Look at all the sparkles! Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps anyone who's making sticker sheets. Let me know if you have any other questions.
Just hit me with those brown eyes. Wanna take a ride, wanna roll it